My dear students, today I am going to discuss trigonometry for class 10. Now this is continuation from my last video where I gave you the concept, definition and some formula of trigonometry. So today we are going to see the application of this formula in solving numerical problems. Now before I begin, look here, I have given my WhatsApp number 8486768385. Now, if you have any suggestion and feedback, please send to me in this WhatsApp number. Okay. Some students have suggested something and they have also sent messages. So, if you like, you can use this WhatsApp number to communicate with me, right? Okay, let us get down to work then. Now, I want to show you application of those formula that I showed you in the last video. For example, say this numerical problem. The question is this: suppose there is a question, if sine theta equal to 3 by 5, find the other trigonometric ratios. So this is a question. If sine theta equal to 3 by 5, find the other trigonometric ratios. All total there are 6 trigonometric ratios. Now one is given, sine is given. So you have to find cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. So the remaining 5 you have to find out. Now this you can do in two ways. So one way is using the formula which I showed you in my last video. And the second way is to use a right angle triangle. I'll show you both. Now in exam, whichever you find easy, you can do. Alright. Now using formula, let us see first. Now sine theta equal to given this one. Now let us use that first formula. The first formula is what? Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. If you recollect, sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Therefore, I gave you a derivation. So, cos square theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Alright. In exam, instead of writing this main formula, you can directly use this derivation to save time. Now here, use the value. So 1 minus sine square theta. Sine square theta means sine theta whole square. This also I explained in my last video. So sine square theta means sine theta whole square. Now let us put the value of sine theta, which is 3 by 5. So 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square. Alright. So that gives us 1 minus 9 by 16. 9 by 25, sorry. 9 by 25. So 3 square 9, 5 square 25. Now 1 minus 25 is what? 1 minus 25, let me show here, equal to 25 LCM, so 16 by 25. So cos square theta is 16 by 25. Therefore, cos theta will be obviously square root of that 16 by 25. So cos square theta we have found out by using the first formula and the derivation. So we got 16 by 25. Therefore, what will be cos theta only? Square root of 16 by 25. That means 4 by 5. 4 by 5. So this is the value of cos theta. So see, sine theta was given 3 by 5. Now we have found the value of cos theta. How? By using formula. Although you can do it by, you can find it by using a triangle, which I will show you next. Okay. Now we got cos theta. Therefore, what will be sec theta? Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, 1 by cos theta. That means it will be 5 by 4. If cos theta is 4 by 5, then sec theta will be reciprocal, because again I explained in my last video. All right. So sine and cosec are reciprocal of each other. Cos and sec are reciprocal of each other. Tan and cot are reciprocal of each other. So if cos is 4 by 5, sec must be what? 5 by 4. So we got sine was given, we got two more. We got cos, we got sec. And from sine directly we can find cosec, because cosec is reciprocal of sine, isn't it? So what will be cosec? So sine is given 3 by 5. Now cosec will be reciprocal of sine, that means 5 by 3. 5 by 3. So you see, cosec theta is reciprocal of sine theta. So 3 by 5, reciprocal is 5 by 3. So we have got cos, we have got sec, now we have got cosec. Now only left is what? Tan and cot. Now let us find out tan and cot. Now tan theta, if you recollect from my last video, tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is what? Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. So you must remember all these relations. Then you can do the sums very quickly in exam. Okay. So tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Now let us put the value. What is sin theta? Sin theta is 3 by 5. So 3 by 5. Sin theta is 3 by 5. And what is cos theta? Cos theta we have 4 by 5. So 4 by 5. So sin theta is 3 by 5 and cos theta is 4 by 5. Okay. Now this 5 cancel. So what remains? 3 by 4. So this is the value of tan theta. So tan theta is what? 3 by 4. Now from tan we can find cot easily, because cot is reciprocal of tan. So therefore what will be cot? So what will be cot theta? So therefore cot theta will be reciprocal of this, that means 4 by 3. So this is the value of cot theta. So you see, from sin theta we found cos theta, then reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta, then reciprocal of sin we have found cosec theta, then sin by cos, using that relation we found tan theta, and reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. So we found all the other 5 trigonometrical ratios. So one was given, we found all the rest, right? Now this how we did? We did by using formula. Now let us see another by using formula. Now let us see another by using formula. All right. Suppose cos theta, suppose this is given 4 tan theta. If 4 tan theta equal to 3, if 4 tan theta equal to 3, then find the other trigonometric ratios. That is a question. So 4 tan theta equal to 3 given. So you have to find the other trigonometrical ratios. That means you have to find cot, sec, cosec, sin and cos. Again, let us see how you can use the formula to do this. All right. So this is how we have to do. 4 tan theta equal to 3. Since 4 tan theta equal to 3, this is given. Therefore, tan theta will be definitely 3 by 4, isn't it? So 4 tan theta is 3. Therefore, tan theta equal to 3 by 4. So instead of giving the value directly like this, tan theta 3 by 4, so the question was given like this, 4 tan theta equal to 3. All right. That means now the tan is given. Now from tan, let us find out the other 5 trigonometric ratios. Now from tan directly we can find cot, because cot is reciprocal of tan. If tan is 3 by 4, cot must be 4 by 3. So you see, immediately we got cot, isn't it? Now, using the formula, that tan square theta equal to sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Using this formula, sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So in my last video, I showed you this. So sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Using this formula, we can find sec because tan is known. All right. So 1 plus tan square theta, that means 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is tan theta whole square, that means this whole square. So 3 by 4 whole square, that means it will be 9 by 16. So sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. This formula we are using. So 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is tan theta whole square, isn't it? So tan theta whole square means square, it is whole square will be 9 by 16. All right, 1 plus 9 by 16. That means what you get? 16, then 16 plus 9, 25. So sec square theta is 25 by 16. Therefore, sec theta will be what? Square root of that. Sec square theta is this. Therefore, sec theta will be square root of that. Square root of 25 by 16. So that means what? 5 by 4. So this 5 by 4 is the value of sec theta. All right. So tan theta was given this. So we found cot theta. Now we have found sec theta. Sec theta is what? 5 by 4. Now from sec we can immediately find cos. Therefore cos theta equal to, why cos from sec? Because they are reciprocal of each other. So if sec is 5 by 4, cos must be what? 4 by 5. Cos must be 4 by 5. So this is the value of what? Cos theta. So from sec we have found cos, because cos is reciprocal of sec. So sec is 5 by 4, therefore cos must be 4 by 5. Now what is left? Yes, now only sine and cosec are left. So tan was given, we found cot, then using this formula we found sec, then from sec we found cos. Now let us find out sine. Now cot is related to cosec, so we can find out cosec from cot. Okay. So knowing cot, we can find cosec. We can find cosec. How? This formula, that is cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So all this formula I gave you in my last video. Okay. So cosec square equal to 1 plus cot square. So let us put the value 1 plus cot square. Cot square means what? 16 by 9. So cot is 4 by 3. Therefore, what will be cot square theta? Square of this. The square of this will be 16 by 9. So cosec square is 16 by 9. 1 plus 16 by 9. So this we simplify. What we get? So if we simplify this, what we get? 9, 16, 25. So cosec square is 25 by 9. Therefore, what will be cosec? Cosec theta. Cosec theta will be square root of this. Square root of this will be 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 is the value of what? Cosec theta. Cosec square is 25 by 9. So cosec theta will be square root of this. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 9 is 3. 5 by 3. Okay. Now, knowing cosec theta, we can find out sin theta easily because sin is reciprocal of cosec. So therefore, sin theta equal to what? 3 by 5. Reciprocal of this, 3 by 5. Sin theta equal to what? 3 by 5. I follow? So using this formula, cosec square equal to 1 plus cot square, what we got? We got this cosec, we got cosec. Cosec is 5 by 3. Alright, cosec is 5 by 3. Therefore, reciprocal of cosec is sin. Sin will be 3 by 5. So you see, originally what was given? Tan was given. So from tan we found cot. we found from tan we found cot, yes. Then using that sec square formula we found sec. Then from sec we found cos. Then using this formula we found cosec, and from cosec we found sine. So this is how you can find, if one ratio is given, you can find the other 5 trigonometric ratios by using formula. This is formula method. Okay. Okay, now let me show you the triangle method. Triangle method, okay. So 2 examples I showed you using formula method. So learn the method. That way you can do any sum given from any source. Things always do not come from textbook. All right. Okay, now let us see how we can do this by using triangle. So we use a triangle, right angle triangle. We use a right angle triangle. So suppose it is ABC. ABC, and suppose this angle is theta, which is under consideration. So this angle theta which is under consideration. All right. Now this is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. This is adjacent, and this is opposite. So all this I explained in my last video. So this side is opposite to the angle under consideration, which is theta, and this is adjacent. This is touching that angle, and of course this is hypotenuse, opposite to right angle. Okay. Yes. Now, what was the first? The first question was what? If sine theta equal to, what was it? Sine theta equal to 3 by 5. If sine theta equal to 3 by 5, you were asked to find the other trigonometric ratios. If sine theta is 3 by 5, find the other trigonometric ratios. That was the question which I showed you by formula method. Now let us see by triangle method. So this is how you have to do. So sine theta equals to 3 by 5. Okay. Therefore, now sine theta, what is sine theta? Opposite by hypotenuse, that means AB by AC. So AB by AC. AB by AC equal to 3 by 5. So we are making use of a triangle. I followed. So sine theta in this triangle is what? AB by AC. Sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse, isn't it? Or you can say perpendicular by hypotenuse. So AB by AC is sine theta, that is 3 by 5, isn't it? Therefore, so from here what we get? AB equal to 3 into a constant. Suppose that constant is x, and AC equal to 5 into constant, that is 5x. All right. Now do not think AB is 3, AC is 5. AB is 3 times a constant and AC is 5 times a constant. Now AB by AC is only 3 by 5. Okay. All right. Now AB and AC are known, so we can find out BC, the third side. Now let us find out the third side, BC. So what is AB? 3x. AB is 3x. So this is 3x. All right. And what is AC? AC is 5x. So this is 5x. This one is 5x. So AC we have found 5x, AB 3x. Now let us find out BC. So what will be BC? Using Pythagoras theorem, it will be square root of what? AC square minus AB square, isn't it? Using Pythagoras theorem, what is BC? Square root of AC square minus AB square. That means AC square. AC is what? 5x. So AC square will be 25x square. 25x square minus AB square. So AB is 3x. So AB square will be 9x square. All right. So that is equal to square root of 16x square. 25 square minus 9x square, 16x square. Now square root of 16 is 4x. Square root of x square is x. So this is the value of what? This 4x. So BC is what? 4x. So from the given condition, we have found the length of these 3 sides: 5x, 3x, and 4x. Okay. Now, after knowing the 3 sides, we can easily find the ratios. So this is sine. Therefore, cos theta. What will be cos theta? Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, isn't it? That means BC by AC. So cos theta is what? BC by AC. So BC by AC. What is BC? 4x. BC is 4x and AC is 5x. So x cancel, 4 by 5. This is the value of what? Cos. So using the triangle, we have found cos. So if you recollect, when we did first, we used the formula to find cos. Now here we have not used any formula, we have taken the help of a right angle triangle. So from sine this we have found now cos, which is 4 by 5. Now from sine we can find cosec, obviously. So from sine we can find cosec, isn't it? What will be cosec? Cosec is a reciprocal of sine, that means 5 by 3. So we can find cosec. Cosec theta is what? Reciprocal of sine theta, that means 5 by 3. Alright. Then knowing cos we can find sec. Sec is reciprocal of cos, that means it will be 5 by 4. So you don't have to do any other calculation for these two. Just reciprocal. Sine is 5 by 3, 3 by 5, therefore cosec will be 5 by 3, reciprocal. Then cos we have found out 4 by 5, therefore sec is a reciprocal of this, it will be 5 by 4. Now what is left? Tan and cot. Yes, now let us see what is tan. Now these values, cosec and sec, we can find by using triangle also, because cosec is what? Hypotenuse by opposite, that means 5x by 3x, that is 5 by 3. Cosec is what? 5 by 3. And then sec is what? Hypotenuse by adjacent, that means 5x by 4x, that is 5 by 4. So using the triangle also you can find it, and also you can find by using reciprocal. Now tan theta you can find using the triangle, or you can use the formula sine relation sine by cos. But since we have drawn a triangle, let us find out from the triangle. Now what is tan theta? Perpendicular by base, that means AB by BC, or opposite by adjacent, that means 3x by 4x. 3x by 4x, isn't it? So from the triangle, since we have drawn the triangle, let us use the triangle. So from the triangle, what is tan theta? This by this, that means 3x by 4x, that is 3 by 4. So tan theta is 3 by 4. Now from tan theta directly we can say cot theta. So cot theta reciprocal of tan theta, that means 4 by 3. So cot theta is 4 by 3. Also cot theta from the triangle, because if you want to use the triangle, cot theta is what? Adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite, that is base by perpendicular, that means 4x by 3x. 4x by 3x will be 4 by 3. Okay. So this is how you can make use of the triangle. We have not used any formula, you see. Now we have used a relation, that reciprocal of each other, that is a relation. We have used a relation, we are bound to, but we have not used those formula. You followed? So we have used what? A right angle triangle. Okay. Okay, this is how you can solve that right angle triangle. You can solve that to find the other trigonometric ratios using right angle triangle. Okay. Now, so let us see the second one. Okay. Now the second one, let us see again. So hypotenuse, this is adjacent, this is the opposite. Okay. Now what was that? What was the question? The question was, if 4 tan theta, if you recollect, this was given 4 tan theta equal to 3. 4 tan theta equal to 3, and you were asked to find the other trigonometric ratios. Okay. Now from here, this is given condition, therefore what? Tan theta equal to 3 by 4. Okay. Now tan theta means what? Yes, opposite by adjacent, that means AB by BC. So AB by BC. AB by BC. AB by BC equal to what? 3 by 4. So tan is AB by opposite by adjacent or perpendicular by base. That means AB by BC. AB by BC is 3 by 4. So therefore, from here you can conclude AB equal to 3x, 3 into some constant, and BC equal to 4 into some constant. All right. So this BC equal to 4 into some constant, that is 4x, and then AB equal to 3 into some constant, that is 3x. So this is 3x. So again I say AB is not 3, BC is not 4. AB is 3 times a constant and BC is 4 times a constant. That constant is x. Okay. All right. So AB is 3x, BC is 4x. Now you can find out AC. So therefore AC equal to what? AC equal to, using Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. That means square root of AB square is what? 3x square. That means 9x square plus BC square. BC is 4x whole square. That means 16x square. So what you get? Square root of 25x square. Isn't it? 9x square plus 16x square is what? 25x square. Now root over this is what? 5x. So 5x is AC. So AC equal to what? 5x. So this is 5x. So we have found all the three sides of this right angle triangle. 3x perpendicular, this adjacent or base is 4x, hypotenuse is 5x. Now you can find very easily others. Now therefore sine theta is what? Opposite by hypotenuse, that means 3x by 5x. 3x by 5x. That means 3 by 5. All right. So sine theta we have found 3 by 5. Okay, using triangle. We have not used formula, using triangle. So this by this. Then cos theta. Cos theta is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse or base by hypotenuse. All right. So 4x by 5x. So 4x by 5x. So what is 4x by 5x? 4 by 5, because x cancel. All right. So tan was given, we have found sine and cos. Now from tan we can find easily cot. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. What will be cot then? 4 by 3. Or from triangle also you can find cot. So cot is what? Adjacent by opposite, that means 4x by 3x. 4x by 3x, that means 4 by 3. So cot theta equal to what? 4 by 3. So tan is 3 by 4, therefore reciprocal of tan, cot is 4 by 3, or from the triangle like this, 4x by 3x, that is 4 by 3. Okay. Now from sine you can find cosec. Cosec is reciprocal of sine, that means it will be 5 by 3. And from the triangle, what is cosec? Cosec theta equal to hypotenuse by opposite, that means 5x by 3x. 5x by 3x, that is 5 by 3. X cancel. So cosec you can find from the triangle 5 by 3, or you can find from sine theta. Reciprocal of sine theta is cosec, that is 5 by 3. Similarly, what will be sec? Sec theta will be reciprocal of cos, that means 5 by 4. Sec theta is 5 by 4 if we use the reciprocal relation. Or from here, what is sec? Hypotenuse by adjacent, that means 5x by 4x. What will be 5x by 4x? X cancel, 5 by 4. So this is how you can use a right angle triangle to find the other 5 trigonometric ratios when one is given. So I have shown you both the methods, either using the formula or using the right angle triangle. Okay. So this is how you can do. Now I would like to show you 1 or 2 sums where you can use that formula. All right. Okay. There are many sums in your textbook or in reference book. Some are easy, some are not easy. But if you have learned the method, you can handle all types of questions. That is the point. So this is why I keep on repeating, learn the method, learn the formula. This is the only way to solve these numerical problems, by knowing the formula and relations and knowing the method. Okay. All right. Now, say one numerical problem like this. Suppose the question is this one, proof. Actually, this is identity. So the question comes, prove the following identities. So that is how the question may come. So you may be given in exam one or two identities. For example, say you have to prove this one. Say prove cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So this is an identity. This type of things are called identity. Now you have to prove this identity. That means you have to prove left hand side equal to right hand side. Now when you are asked to prove something, you can start from left hand side and obtain right hand side. That is one way. Or you can start from right hand side and obtain left hand side, which is not usually done. And thirdly, you can do left hand side and right hand side separately and obtain the same answer. Therefore, left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay. So this one, let us see from left hand side to right hand side. So left hand side equal to what? Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Now, in this type of questions, the general method is convert all other ratios to sine and cos. Remember, convert all other ratios to sine and cos. Now, this question has right hand side has cos. Therefore, we do not touch this, because our purpose is to convert other things to sine and cos. This is already in cos, so we will not do anything about it. Now, this is not sine, this is not cos, but we can convert them to sine and cos, and that is what we are going to do. So this is general method. Now cosec theta we can express in terms of sine theta, minus cot theta we can express in terms of sine and cos. Obviously you have to know this relation. So tan theta is sine theta by cos theta, cot theta is cos theta by sine theta. Those relations I did in my last video, you have to know. All right. So we converted these two into sine and cos. Again I say, remember the rule, remember the method. Convert the other four trigonometric ratios into sine and cos. Now what we do? Of course, you have to find LCM. Now here common denominator, sine theta is a common denominator. So numerator is 1 minus cos theta. Now whole square. So whole square, isn't it? So here it was whole square. Now we just put separately for numerator denominator. All right. Now see, our aim is to obtain right hand side. Always keep an eye on right hand side. Where to go? Now do not proceed blindly. So some students go on doing blindly and never get the right hand side. So keep an eye on right hand side. Our aim is to obtain cos. That is the aim, to obtain cos. Now you see, this is sine. So we must remove sine because we do not want sine in the right hand side. In the answer that we must get, there is no sine. But here there is sine. We must remove the sine. Now we do not remove cos because we need cos. So 1 minus cos whole square, we will not do anything about it. We just keep it intact. This sine we are going to change. Now sine theta whole square means sine square theta. Isn't it? Sine theta whole square means sine square theta. Now sine square theta is what? 1 minus cos square theta, using that formula. Using that first formula, what is sine square theta? The derivation 1 minus cos square theta. This is what we are going to write in the denominator, 1 minus cos square theta. So in place of sine square theta, this one, what we are going to write, 1 minus cos square theta. This is the derivation from the first formula. Okay. Now see, we got cos, but then this is complicated, we must simplify. Now that is equal to, let me simplify here. Let me simplify here, equal to, yes. Now this one we keep intact, 1 minus cos theta whole square. So 1 minus cos theta. Now why we write this way? Because we are going to cancel. Now 1 minus cos square theta, yes, we are going to use the formula a square minus b square. So 1 minus x square is what? 1 plus x into 1 minus x, using the formula a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So 1a plus b into a minus b. 1 is 1 square. So this is how we are going to factorize this. 1 minus cos square theta will be what? 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So using a square minus b square formula like this, it will be a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Now 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, they are factors, so they cancel each other. So what remains? 1 minus cos theta. See, now we have got the right hand side. So equal to right hand side. See. So starting from left hand side, we obtain the right hand side. So hence proved. So problem solved. Okay. So this is the thing. Again I say, it's a simple sum, not very complicated. There are more complicated sums. So remember the method. We must convert the other 4 trigonometric ratios into sine and cos. Alright, then we are bound to get the answer. Go on simplifying by using the rules of equation and all that. So equation algebra, so you will get the answer. Okay, so this is an example. Okay, now let me show another example. Another example. So we are doing now verifying or proving what? Identities. Okay. Yeah, this one, prove 1 plus sec theta by sec theta. 1 plus sec theta by sec theta equal to sine square theta by 1 minus cos theta. Sine square theta by 1 minus cos theta. Alright? Yes. Now again you see this side sine and cos. So for the time being we are not touching this. We will not touch this. So this has cos sec. So you can change sec to what? Cos, isn't it? So let us do this one. So left hand side. Left hand side, what we get? 1 plus sec theta. Sec theta is what? 1 by cos theta. Sec theta is what? 1 by cos theta. So 1 by cos theta. So in place of sec theta, what you can write? 1 by cos theta. Now, so this one LCM. So LCM is cos theta. So numerator will be cos theta plus 1, cos theta plus 1 cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. Alright, then divided by the denominator will be 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta. Alright. So this cos theta will cancel. So finally you get a simple one, cos theta plus 1. You see. So left hand side we removed sec theta and we wrote 1 by cos theta. Then we simplify, just rules of algebra. Simplifying, what we get? This cos cancel, simply cos theta plus 1. This cannot be simplified anymore. So look here, this cannot be simplified anymore, and yet we haven't got the right hand side. You see, left hand side is simplified, but we didn't get the right hand side. and we cannot do anything about it. This is the simplest form. So we cannot simplify this anymore. So we stop here. Now we try to handle the right hand side. Now we see how the right hand side can be simplified to get similar things. So right hand side is what? Sine square by 1 minus cos square. Now we use the relation. Yes, that formula. What is sine square? 1 minus cos square. 1 minus cos square theta. Yes, that is the derivation of the first formula. Cos square is 1 minus sine square. Sine square is 1 minus cos square. All this thing must be just in your mind, so that you can use quickly. So 1 minus cos theta. Now you see a square minus b square formula. 1 means 1 square. 1 square minus cos square. So a square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. So a is 1 and b is cos theta. So a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b, and below 1 minus cos theta. Now these two same cancel, therefore what is left? 1 plus cos theta, you see. Now see, we have got both sides similar, left hand side, right hand side. Now in this sum, what we did, we are bound to do left and right separately. From left hand side, we did not get the right hand side. So we did right hand side separately and we got the same answer as we got from left hand side. And so therefore we conclude, see, this was same, left hand side equal to right hand side. Left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proved. So in this sum also we use that rule, that is change all other things, all other things, that means tan, cos, sec, cosec into sine and cos. So here there was only sec, so we changed to cos. This side we did not change anything, we did not, because they are already in sine and cos. What we did, we used the formula, derivation of the first formula, then we simplified. Now in this sum we did left hand side and right hand side separately. All right. So there are many sums like this. So I will show you in my next video. In next video I will show you. So today up to this I did. So try to revise these things and try to implement the rules in your brain so that you can easily remember the things. Okay. So in my next video I will proceed to show you some more examples of identities, how to prove identities. Okay. All right for today. So thank you and good night.